HTML paragraphs. A paragraph always starts on a new line and is usually a block of text. The HTML p element defines a paragraph. A paragraph always starts on a new line, and a browser automatically adds some white spaces, a margin before and after a paragraph. HTML display. You cannot be sure how HTML will be displayed. Large or small screen and resized windows will create different results. With HTML, you cannot change the display by adding extra spaces or extra lines in your HTML code. The browser will automatically remove any extra spaces and lines when the page is displayed. HTML horizontal rules. The HR tag defines a thematic break in an HTML page and is most often displayed as a horizontal rule. The HR element is used to separate content or define a change within an HTML page. HTML line break. The HTML BR element defines a line break. Use BR if you want a line break or a new line without starting a new paragraph. The poem problem. This poem will display on a single line. Solution. The HTML pre-element defines pre-formatted text. The text inside a pre-element is displayed in a fixed width font, usually Courier, and it preserves both spaces and line breaks.